Hello friends, I am Pradeep Yadav and I welcome you all at my channel The Knowledge Adda. Today I am going to discuss some basic multiple choice question based on 8085 microprocessor, and basically this is a 3 series video in which I am going to discuss MCQ question which are based on 8085 microprocessor. So today I am going to present first part of that series, and in this series basically we are going to talk about some basic and introduction part of 8085 microprocessor. So without wasting our time, just let me start the multiple choice question. Okay, so here first question is, what is mean by ALU? So full form of ALU is arithmetic logic unit, means D option is correct option. And 8085 microprocessor has how many pins? So my friend, 8085 operate on 40 pins, means 8085 microprocessor has 40 pins to operate. Okay, 8085 microprocessor has how many register pair? So my friend, in 8085 there are only 3 possible register pair, that is BC, DE, HL, and so these are called register pair. So we have only 3 register pair, one is BC and DE and HL. So in this case your C option is correct because we have only 3 register pair. Just remember this because this is very useful, BCDHL. Now next question is, which is not register pair in 8085 microprocessor? In last slide which I have already discussed, we have only 3 register pair, one is BCDHL. So here option A is correct option. Register pair are used to store, so one register used to store 8-bit data. When we are talking about register pair, means we are going to combine 2 register, means each register can store 8-bit data. So a register pair can store 16-bit data because we are using 2 register in register pair. So C option is correct option. Default value of program counter. So when you are going to start your microprocessor device, so default value of program counter will be 0, means 4 times 0, because program counter is a 16-bit register, that why we have mentioned 000H. So default value of program counter is 0, and you can initialize the value of program counter, whatever you are going to initialize, that will be value of program counter. Okay, the width of address bus and data bus. So address bus work on 16-bit and data bus work on 8-bit. So in this case C option is correct option, because here in C option we are talking about 16-bit and 8-bit. Now how much power needed to run 8085 microprocessor? So 8085 microprocessor basically operate on 5 volt. So in this case D option is correct option. Clock speed of 8085 microprocessor is, so when we are talking about 8085 microprocessor, so 8085 microprocessor operate on 3 megahertz frequency. So in this case option A is correct, but when you are talking about 8086 microprocessor, in that case the frequency or clock speed can be 3 megahertz to 6 megahertz. Now data bus and address bus are, so data bus works in both direction, means data bus is bidirectional, and address bus works in one direction, means address bus is unidirectional. So in this case your D option is correct. How many flag available in 8085 microprocessor? So in 8085 microprocessor we have 5 flag, or the name of 5 flag are sign flag, sign flag, 0 flag, and carry flag, and parity flag, and fifth one is auxiliary carry flag. Okay, you can watch my a video which is based on flag. So in that video you can easily understand what is meaning of flag and how they are going to work in 8085 microprocessor. So in this case option A is correct because 8085 have only 5 flags. Which is not a flag in 8085 microprocessor? So here I have discussed in previous slide, zero flag is possible, parity flag is possible, sign flag is possible. This is not a flag in 8085 microprocessor. Basically this is in a flag 8086, but in this case we are talking about 8085. So this is correct option because this is not a flag in 8085 microprocessor. So which is not example of immediate addressing? Immediate addressing means you have to provide direct value with instruction. So here if you are going to see all the given 4 instruction, in first we are providing 16-bit data, in second we are providing 8-bit data, in C we are not providing any data. So this is not example not example of immediate addressing mode because we are not working here with data. If you are working with data in any register means any instruction means that instruction will be example of immediate addressing modes. So which is not example of data transfer instruction? So my friend, data transfer instruction are those instruction in which we are talking about a copy the data from source to destination, or we are loading or storing data in register. So in first case you can see we are transferring data from source to destination. So this is example of data transfer. MVIC 06 means we are storing 06 in C. This is also example of data transfer. LDA, we are transferring the content of 2000 in accumulator. So this is also example of data transfer. But in case of D, that B means BC plus HL means we are adding here. So this is not example of data transfer instruction. Which is example of arithmetic? So we have already discussed about move, MGIC, LDA. So here that B is example of arithmetic instruction. Now which is not example of logical instruction? So logical instruction consist those type of instructions which are used to perform logical operation, compare operation, rotate, complement. So CMP means compare instruction. So this is a logical instruction. RLC, we are rotating means it is also example of logical instruction. CMMA means we are doing complement. This is also example of logical. But INR, here we are incrementing the value means this is a example of arithmetic, not logical. So D option is correct option. Which is not example of branch? Branch means where we check the condition. JNC, jump if no carry means we are checking condition. So this is example of branch. Jump, we are jumping means this is also example of branch. Calling means this is also example of branch. But DAW means you are going to convert hexadecimal value into decimal value. That's why DAW is not example of branch instruction. Which is not example of machine? Basically machine control instruction are those instructions which manage all the operation within the microprocessor. So NOP means no operation, halt means end the operation, CMC complement the carry flag, and RIM. So basically NOP, halt and RIM are example of machine control. Here CMC is not example of machine control instructions. Now which interrupt has highest priority? In 8085 microprocessor there are 7 interrupt. Among 7 interrupt has highest priority and INTR has lowest priority. Correct syntax for adding data A and B in microprocessor. So A, B, C are not correct syntax for adding data in 8085 microprocessor. If you have written add B means you are going to add the content of B with the content of A, means add B is correct option. Suppose you have written add C means that is indicate A plus C and your output will be stored by default in accumulator. So here D option is correct option. Now correct syntax for comparing data A and B. So friend, here A, B, C are not possible, because by default whatever register you are going to mention with this instruction, that will compare with accumulator. So D option is correct option. Now which is correct for rotate instruction? So by default rotate works on accumulator, so there is no need to mention any register with the rotate instruction. So here A, B, C are incorrect syntax, because here we have mentioned already register, that is not a standard format, because it's by default works on accumulator. So here D option is correct option, because you have not mentioned any register with this instruction. So by default it will work on accumulator. Now which is not correct in 8085 microprocessor? So let's check the first line, LXI ESP2046. So as we know, stack pointer is a 16-bit register. So in this case 2040 also 16-bit data, means first line is correct. POP-C, this is false, because when you are going to use a pop and push, you have to mention a register pair with them. Okay, and for representing register pair, we have to use the first letter of register pair. So here in POP-C, in this case, that is C is not a first letter of register pair, so that is wrong. Push-B, that is correct, because you have mentioned first letter of BC pair, LXI H2046, that is also correct, because here H represent HL pair, and HL pair can store 16-bit data. So in this case POP-C is correct. Now which is correct in 8085 microprocessor? So as we in last slide, as we discussed, SP is a 16-bit register, so that will store 16-bit, but you are providing only 8-bit data, means that is wrong. POP-C, which we have already discussed, that is also wrong. Push-L, it is also wrong, because you have used second letter of register pair, that is not possible. You have to use first letter of register pair. And in last LXI H 4 times F, that is correct, because H represent HL pair, and HL pair can store 16-bit data. So in this series I have covered 25 questions. In next series I am going to also cover 25 to 50 questions. So these are some basic questions related to introduction part of 8085 microprocessor. Hope you have enjoyed this question. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like to please share this video, subscribe my channel, also comment on the video. So thank you for watching. Thank you.